Today, we're going to talk about ratio. Objective, I can use ratio to solve real-life problems. What is a ratio? A ratio is the comparison of two quantities. It indicates how many times one number contains another. Ratio of apples to bananas. We are going to compare the quantity or number of apples to the quantity or number of bananas. First, let's count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6. 2, 1, 2, 3. 6 to 3. Always remember when making a ratio, always put what is first on the ratio problem. In this case, we're gonna put 6 because we're talking about apples. And the next number is about bananas. Don't forget that. So apples, the ratio of apples to bananas, 6 apples to 3 bananas. You can also write ratio in this form, 6 colon 3 or 6 to 3. Or in fraction, 6 over 3. Since it's fraction, we can simplify it by dividing both sides by its greatest common factor, which is 3. 6 divided by 3 gives you 2. 3 divided by 3 gives you 1. So, the ratio is 2 over 1. As you can see, if we're gonna look, we have 2. For every 2 apples, we have 1 banana. 2 apples, 1 banana. 2 apples, 1 banana. We can write it like this, 2 colon 1, or 2 to 1. Or this one, 2 to 1. Now, let us study the ratio of kittens to puppies. We are going to compare the number of kittens to the number of puppies. What are we going to do? First, let's count the kittens. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 cute kittens. 4, 2. Let's count the number of puppies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 to 8. Again, ratio of kittens to puppies. We can write it like this, 4 colon 8, or 4 to 8, or using fraction, 4 over 8. Since it's fraction, if we can simplify it, then let's do it. In this case, we can simplify it by dividing fractions 4 over 4, which gives us 1/2. For every 1 kitten, we have 2 puppies. We can write it like this, 1 to 2, or 1 colon 2. Just like that. Now, it's your turn. Compare the following objects and write the ratio in 3 forms. Put your answers in the boxes provided. 1. Ratio of tennis balls and ping pong balls. 2. Ratio of girls and boys. You may pause this video if you need more time. Now, let's answer. The ratio of tennis balls and ping pong balls. Let's count the number of tennis balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 tennis balls. Let's count the ping pong balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 ping pong balls. Our ratio is 7 to 6. We can write it like this, 7 colon 6, or in fraction form, 7 to 6. Now, let's answer ratio of girls and boys. Let's count the number of boys, or girls, I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 girls, and let's count the boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 girls. We can also write the ratio of this, or in fraction form. Since it's a fraction, simplify it. Let's simplify it. How are we going to do that? Dividing fraction by its greatest common factor, in this case, 6, which gives us 1 to 1. So if you're going to notice, every one girl, there's 1 boy. You can also write it in columns like this, or in fraction like this. That's it! You got it! Compare the following objects and write the ratio in 3 forms. Put your answers in the boxes provided. Number 3. Ratio of basketball players and muses. Number 4. Ratio of cows and horses. If you need more time, you can pause this video. Now, let's answer. First, let's count the number of basketball players. 1, 2, 3. And the number of muses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, the ratio of basketball players and muses is 3 to 6. We can also write it like this, 3 colon 6. 3 to 6, or in fraction form, 3 over 6. That's it. And since it is a fraction, if we can simplify it, we must simplify it. How are we going to do that? Let's divide it to its greatest common factor, which is 3, which gives us 1 to 2. Or 1/2. For every 1 basketball player, we have 2 muses. That's it. Now, let's answer number 4. Ratio of cows and horses. Let's count first the number of cows, which is on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 cows. Let's count the number of horses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6. We can write it like this, or in fraction form, 8 is to 6. And I think we can simplify it by dividing both sides by 2, or by dividing the fractions by 2, which gives us 4 is to 3. We can write it like this, or in fraction form. So, for every 4 cows, we have 3 horses. That is the ratio of cows and horses. Number 5. Compare the following objects and write the ratio in 3 forms. Put your answers in the boxes provided. The ratio of pencils and sign pens. Number 6. Ratio of batteries and watches. If you need more time, you can pause this video. Now let's answer this. First, let's count the number of pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How about the sign pens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 sign pens. We can write it like this: 8 to 12, or in fraction 8 over 12. We can simplify it 2 to 3. For every 2 pencils, we have 3 sign pens, or you can write it like this, or in fraction 2 over 3. That's it. You got it. Now, let's try to answer number 6. Ratio of batteries in watches. Batteries. Let's count the number of batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 batteries. How about the watches? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We have 21 watches. We can write it like this: 10 to 21, or in fraction 10 to 21. That's it. Just like that. Practice makes it perfect. I want you to answer these 4 questions. Number 1, the ratio of cups and saucers. Number 2, the ratio of pumpkins and crows. If you need more time, you can pause this video. Number 3 and 4. Compare the following objects and write the ratio in 3 forms. Put your answers in the boxes provided. Number 3, ratio of boxes and balls. Number 4, ratio of hearts and roses. If you need more time, you can pause this video.
Thanks for watching. Always remember, stay safe and healthy.